Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A little different view. I wanted to get the camera up because this darn big box is so big. Before this video even gets started, I have looked in my entire model room and I have lost or misplaced my flyer for the show that I'm going to, hopefully this weekend. The MDA Quality Model Car Contest and Show and Swap Meet. It's at the Berglund. Let's see if you can see this. I took a picture of it and well, okay, so no it's not. Anyway, hey, what else is new, you know, about my camera not focusing and stuff? Let me do this really quick. Man, Matthew, really good on your production, I know. So I can't find my flyer, but love to see you. It's in Roanoke, Virginia. Matthew, that's over 100 miles from my house. I'm going to be driving over 500 miles to get there. And I've made it a point I'm going to go. I don't think Ruthie or Heather or anybody else is going to be with me. I may be alone. I may have a co-driver. I'm not sure yet, not 100% sure at the recording of this video. Today is the 28th. Today is the last day of February. See you February 2023. You're out of here. But anyway, got this package today. Anyway, want to see you guys at the model show. It'd be awesome. I've heard it's a great show. I can't wait. I'm really excited. I think it's going to be totally worth the 550 miles or whatever it's going to in the hotel stay and the late night driving back. But it's going to be worth it. It's going to be fun. Anyway, with all that said, hope to see you there. Got this into my mail today. I was expecting a box. My friend Billy Bear. Billy is a great guy. He's a Patreon member. We've become really good friends. We talk on the phone quite often. Billy said, I got you a package coming your way, Matthew. I know there's one thing in here. I know one thing in here that he did send. It's really cool. I don't know what else is in there. I think, though, don't be misled by the giant size of the box. I don't think it's completely full of models. Billy said he had some boxes in there to take up some dead space and stuff like that. So I'm going to open it up, and we're going to see what's in there. And, yeah, I love these kind of... Wasn't surprised. I was expecting it. I knew it was coming in today. Just ain't got a clue what's in it except for 3 things. And 2 of them make models. So, let's open her up. I guess, well, I guess it'd probably make more sense if I did this on the floor, since the box is humongous. Thank you, Billy. I really appreciate you. Billy's a good friend. Lives up in Michigan, way up in Michigan. And I hate that you had to use boxes to take up space, because they charge you to ship air just as much as they charge you to ship models. So here's some empty boxes and some packing material. Get that out of here. And, all right, so first, okay, I was expecting these. First, he sent me and Ruthie, and I'll just show one of them. A hood. This is too cool. Oh, wow, look at that. So we got hoodies from Bob's Gun and Tackle Shop in Hastings, Michigan. And who else would have one of these? Because I ain't never been to Hastings, Michigan. And I know most of you probably have never been to Hastings, Michigan. But yeah, got 2 hoodies. That's too cool, man. Thank you so much. And guess what? It's going to be cold in Roanoke. Good deal. Thank you so much, Billy. I got me one and I got Ruthie one. I mean, he got me one and he got Ruthie one. That's really cool. Ruthie doesn't even know it, Billy. I haven't even... She's inside the house watching television right now. And so here's a model kit. And that's pretty darn awesome. So 32 Chrysler Imperial. Look at that. Gangbusters. So remember, I built the Gangbusters kit that George Woods sent me, an original edition of the 27, I think it was 27 Lincoln. And that was so much fun. I was a kid back in the 60s building it when I did it. It was so much fun. Thank you, George, for that kit. George is a friend of Sean, the scale model car guy, Sean. Sean goes to George's house, and George sent me that kit. And Billy knows that these are cool, and he knows I like them. And he sent me this one. This is the repop of it. And that is real. I don't have this, by the way, Billy. You had said before, or I think we were talking last night on the phone, if you didn't know if I had it. I don't have it. So thank you so much. And I can't wait to build that. That is too cool. Love them. Because this is off the molds of the kit from the early 60s. And you just can't beat it. They were quality kits. Kind of complex. They had like steerable front wheels and stuff. Like with the steering wheel, steerable front wheels. So I can't wait to get into that. Thank you, Billy, for that. Maybe another empty. Before I throw it on the floor as an empty box, I want to make sure it's... No, it's not an empty box. Oh! No, it's not empty at all. Oh, yeah, I remember him talking about this one. Sure enough. Look at that. What, Duesenberg Dual Cow Phaeton. Now this would have originally been the... Oh, man. I've got a Duesenberg, the old from the 60s. I forget, like 63 I think it was. This is a newer release of it. Man, this thing's sealed. So this is the newer release, but it's the same kit. So these things are... I built the Mercedes, what was it? I don't know, it's on the shelf behind me. I don't remember what, I forget. 540K, I think that's what it was. These are the same series of cars. That Mercedes was such a fine build. It was, I love monogram stuff. I've come to love monogram kits because they're just wonderfully made and they almost build themselves. All you have to do is spray paint on it and they jump together. But this is a cool car. Thanks so much for that, Billy. Let's see, what is this one? Well, heck, this is 1987. This is no spring chicken. 87, man. 97, 2007, 2017. Okay, that's 30, 70, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 36 years old. 36 years old. I'm 46. I was 10 years old when this kit came out. That is awesome. Thank you so much. And for... You're going to love this. I got to take the box down. And for the real reason I wanted to do this on camera so you all could see this. You know the box is kind of big, right? Yeah. Let's get this out of here without it coming open and spilling everywhere. Good grief. Ready? Are you ready? 37 Packard Coupe Roadster. The 12-cylinder. This is a Intex. I think it's Intex, right? It has a price tag on it. I gotta get some glasses on. I can't see it. Let's see what this says. Holy moly. Stanton Hobbies. This is Intex. Stanton Hobbies had this kit for $24.99. It is a 1/16 scale 37 Packard. I think Billy had started the engine. Let's look at this thing really quick. Jeez, that thing is giant. Holy moly. Look at the tires on this sucker. Let's do an unboxing on it. Let's see the tires. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to see myself. I can't see myself now. Look at those tires. They're huge. Look at that. What are they? 2 inches tall. Oh man, just as nice and soft. That is too stinking cool. I'm not gonna spoil it. I'll do an unboxing video on it. But it is 13 and golly, 13 and a half inches long. I'll have to have a bigger space to build this, but I'm going to expand the model room, by the way. Anyway, Billy, that's awesome. I knew he was sending this, and hey, look at this. It says Design Assistance by Packard's International. So Packard, I guess, ended up being Packard's with an S. See if you can see this. I can't tell if I can't see, not for the dang box. It's so giant. But anyway, it says right there, Packard's Design Assistance by Packard. So you know it's right. The 12-cylinder. Says the Packard was, I'll do it on box opening. Anyway, that is too cool. That is awesome. Dang, Billy. So cool. All right, so I'll kind of give you a rundown real quick. And take this off the tripod. And put my glasses back on because I can't see a darn thing without them. And I don't know if this is going to be focused or not. So, kind of a rundown on how. All right, so I'm going to get back. I wasn't planning on doing this, but oops. All right, so this is coming in. Okay, here's the door, right? So when you come into my shop, obviously I'm totally packed out. But so when you come in, what's going to happen is my plan, I think, is going to be the plan. Is I'm going to make a door right here. So there will be a door right here. We'll cut out a door, right? Because on the other side of this wall, which I'm not going to go out there, it's dark. The other side of that wall is a slab, and it's under roof. All of this is under roof. This container is under roof. It's a giant roof I've built over everything. It goes like 25 foot on the back, and I think, or maybe 20 something foot in the front, and like 30 foot in the back. I don't know, it's big. I've got tractors and all kind of stuff in the back here under this section. But and it's not, it's just dirt back there. But in the front, the whole length of this 40 foot container is concrete, cement. I'll turn the light on. This is turned in. You're gonna see a bunch of junk. Okay, you ready? Oh my goodness, that's bright. Okay. It's a mess out here, but there's my two bugs. But as you can see, this is all under roof. Got my chain fall. I got my all my stuff to work on. So this slab comes out from there to, yes, it's a ragged out parts golf cart I'm working on. So right here, that is so junky, but that is my model room from right there on down. So all this space out here where the bugs are at, I'm going to move them around back, or maybe right here. But I'm going to start about right here, and this is going to be closed in, and that over there is going to be closed in. So it's going to get. So I'm going to have. I think the slab is 15 feet, so 15 by whatever the length. Gosh, that's my wife's going to be like, I can't believe you showed them all that, Matthew. Oh well. Here's my door, just so you guys know. It's like, see that? I built this sliding door. Matthew, it's supposed to be an unboxing video. Yeah, I know. But I built this door here. So that's where I shut her up at night. And I got a lock and all on it. I don't have to lock it, but I do sometimes if I think bad guys are around. So yeah, all that over here, all this space, it's going to be cleaned out. It's going to become a model room. Obviously I'll have a ceiling in it and all that, but yeah, okay. Totally off course as usual. Let me get the light turned back on, off, and back in the model room. But that's what my plans are. And why did I say all that about expanding the shop? Because these big model kits, I don't have enough room for them in the display cases, but I'll have plenty of room once I make cut my door out. And this room will still be, I think, the build space, because I've already got a great setup as far as how I build, or where my builds. I've got build space here, build space here, build space here, and I do my pictures and all. But anyway, I want a better picture area. I want a place to have a better place to have my model kits, and it's just going to be fun. But that's my plan. Anyway, thanks Billy for that kit and that kit. That is nice. That is beautiful. And the Gangbusters 32 Imperial. He knows my style. I love these old cars. I think they're the coolest. Yeah, muscle cars are cool and all that stuff, but you just don't beat something out of the 20s or the 30s. Alright, let me make sure I'm focused. I think it is. Right there. Close this video out. Thanks guys for watching. This video is all over the place, but sometimes it's good to kind of like get a real, other than the camera on a tripod never moving, or looking at a model kit, kind of becomes a little monotonous. And I wanted you guys to see this. I want you to see one other thing. Are you not done yet, Matthew? Well, my baby daughter Ellie for Christmas. And this is another thing with the model room getting bigger. And this is not a big thing, but I just have nowhere to put it right now. She bought me this for Christmas. And I may have shown you guys, but I can't wait because she has said, Daddy, where's that sign at? She bought me that Route 66 service station, gasoline and cold drinks, and it lights up. It's a green LED that lights up around it. I'll have space to put that. All these darn testers kits that are so cool. All these model kits. I do like the setup, how I got it in here, and I'll probably kind of keep it that way. But it will wrap around and go inside there. I'll have a place to put then things like that sign right there. All right, back to the closing of this video. Thanks for watching and supporting me and my family and Ruthie. And you guys are great. You're such an encouragement. Yeah, I get the comments, you know, I get the comments like this one guy just recently, this morning I was reading my comments. And he left an awful cuss word in there. I don't think I deleted it, but he shouldn't have said it. But anyway, would you please, well, I won't say what he said, but would you please stop saying stand by between clips? Guys, if it really bothers you that bad that I say stand by, please stop watching, because that's just who I am. That's how I do things. I don't want to be like self-conscious if I say stand by for the next, you know, every time I do it and I'm like, oh, that guy doesn't like it. I don't care. This is me. This channel is how Matthew builds models, and apparently most of you guys enjoy it. And probably the guy that gives me a thumbs down every video, like 5 minutes into a video after it's on YouTube, give it a thumbs down. Thank you for watching the videos. All right, done with this video. Again, thanks to Hobby Nut Models for supporting my channel and my hobby. Thank you, Mark. Thank you to you guys who are in the Facebook group, and I encourage you to go check out Model Car Videos Facebook group. I want to make an appeal to you guys. I need, Chris Callan is my main moderator, but I think Chris needs some help. Over 3,000 people in our group, and I'm appealing to you guys. If you're interested in being a true moderator of the Facebook group, like if you have time to like sit and see these scammers and stuff that sneak in and they're not, I don't catch them in time, or if you see anybody on there that's like talking negative, to help me and Chris filter through those things, I'm interested in someone who's serious about helping us with the Facebook group. Not that Chris doesn't do an excellent job. Chris, thank you so much, bud, but we need help. But anyway, so if you guys are interested in that, go to the Facebook group, message me on Messenger, however, or email me or whatever. If you're interested in becoming a moderator of Model Car Videos Facebook group, really need your help. So consider that, and check out the spring store. Thank you guys who purchase whatever you get off there, shirts or cups or hoodies and things like that. Grateful for that, and thank you to my Patreon members. I know it's been a while, had my surgery and all. We'll get a live stream very soon, guys, and we'll get on there and talk for hours. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks again to Billy Bear for sending me these kits, and I'm done. You guys take care, and we will see you hopefully in Roanoke. I hope to be there. All right, guys, take care.